Hello, everybody. Four days. There you go. Try it. Let me know what you think. And I might actually add a few honey drops in there. Oh, I did. Ooh la la. And it's so good, healthy, and not heavy on your tummy. I would prefer this over eggs and pancakes, honestly, on a very cold day. But hey, you choose your poison, right? Here we go. Overnight oats. See you on the next one. Ciao, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click that notification button. And I'll see you on the other side on our next splendid video.